Well, I purchased a new Hamilton Beach FlexBrew two-way coffee maker, and with this one you can brew a pot of coffee or a single serving. And for the single serving you can either use the K-cups or ground coffee if you don't want to use the K-cups. The K-cups actually are a lot more expensive than just buying ground coffee. So I've purchased this new coffee maker and it's time to open it up and check it out. Got the book and some other literature. There's the coffee pot. And the coffee maker. Your accessories. That's the filter for the single serve. So that's it. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew coffee maker.